Hey there, 6th graders. Welcome to your Ultimate Unit 3 Study Guide. We are going to completely level up your skills today and build out your very own Digital Citizen Toolkit. Whether you're gearing up for a big test or, just wanting to understand this crazy digital world a little bit better, you are absolutely in the right place. We've put together a super colorful, detailed slide deck for you, packed with the exact concepts from your lessons. So, get comfortable and let's start building that toolkit. Here's a quick look at our level map for today. We've got 6 awesome stages to conquer: AI, smart shopping, digital communication, video conferencing, coding basics, and that will wrap it all up with some image editing magic. Let's get to it. First up, level 1, AI and ethical tech. Okay, so ever wonder how your smartphone just knows your face? Or how Siri and Alexa instantly have the answers to your random questions? It honestly feels like magic sometimes, right? But spoiler alert, it's not. It's actually the very first and probably most powerful tool we need to master for our exams. We're talking, of course, about artificial intelligence, or AI. Basically, it's technology that lets machines use human-like logic to solve problems. But how on earth does a machine think? Well, it uses algorithms. Think of an algorithm literally like a recipe you'd use in the kitchen. It's just a set of super detailed step-by-step instructions. Instead of baking a cake, though, these instructions tell the computer exactly what to do, which helps the machine learn and figure things out on its own.
And you know what? You're probably already using AI all the time. Here are the 5 main AI tools that pop up in our daily lives. We just mentioned facial recognition for unlocking your devices and voice assistants like Siri or Alexa. But did you know you're using email filters too? Yep, those are working constantly behind the scenes to block malicious junk from your inbox. Add in language processing, which helps format searches and correct your writing, and those little chat windows you see on customer service sites, and you've got AI constantly working to make your digital life safer and honestly way easier.
But hey, with great power comes great responsibility, right? When we design or use AI, there are 6 absolute must-follow ethical rules. First is inclusiveness. It has to benefit everyone, not just a select few. Second, it must be unbiased. We're talking decisions based strictly on facts, no personal opinions allowed. Third is protectiveness, keeping your privacy and data totally secure. Fourth is benefit, meaning the tool's there to actually help society, not cause harm. Fifth is responsibility. If an AI messes up, the human designers have to step up, admit it, and fix it. And finally, transparency. Designers need to clearly explain exactly how these tools do what they do. No secrets.
Moving right along, level 2, smart shopping and investing.
Navigating the giant world of e-commerce can be kind of overwhelming, so you need to be a smart consumer. And that means utilizing 3 major research tools before you ever hit that buy button. First up, smart search engines. These guys actually use AI to analyze your past data and suggest products that are a perfect match for you. Then we have comparison websites. These are real game changers because they let you look at a bunch of products side by side to compare quality, price, and features. Finally, consumer reviews. Seriously, never underestimate reading what other people or your friends and family think about a product before you spend your hard-earned cash. Now, if you're looking to invest your money instead of spending it, you absolutely have to know the difference between stocks and bonds. Stocks, which are also called shares, mean you actually own a small piece of that company. You're basically a partner. Bonds are totally different. When you buy a bond, you're just lending the company your money. So to put that in perspective, it's the difference between actually owning a piece of the pie versus just loaning the bakery some cash. Oh, and one quick tip. Always review a company's official website to make sure they follow ethical principles before you invest a single dime.
All right, let's jump to level 3, Pro Digital Communication.
As a digital citizen, you're going to interact with educational places like the Alexandrina Library or various customer support teams, and you'll usually have to pick between 2 things: email or chatbots. Email is your go-to for formal, professional stuff. Use it when you need to explain a detailed problem or request an official document. Just remember, keep the subject line short, use a polite greeting, and be clear. Chatbots, on the other hand, are AI programs built for lightning-fast answers. They are amazing if you need a quick fix within 24 hours. But, and this is a big but, you have to write your questions super clearly or the AI is just going to get confused.
Level 4 is all about mastering video conferences.
Tools like Microsoft Teams or Zoom use cloud computing to let us talk in real time. And honestly, setting them up is a total breeze if you follow a few logical steps. To start a meeting, just click New Meeting. You can start it right then and there or schedule it for later. Then copy the link and share it with your group. To join one, it's even easier. You just click the link someone sent you or paste the meeting code into the app and hit join. Simple, right?
But to look like a total pro, you've got to nail the etiquette. Before you even start, check your tech. Seriously, make sure your internet, camera, and mic are actually working so you don't freeze up mid-sentence. During the call, keep an eye on that mute button so you aren't broadcasting background noise. Keep your behavior professional and monitor your notes. After it's all done, send a nice follow-up email. If you recorded the meeting, attach the link so everyone has it. It's a small touch, but it makes a huge difference.
Welcome to Level 5, Coding and Troubleshooting.
Since computers don't speak human, we have to talk to them using programming languages. These two logos right here from your textbook represent the biggest building blocks of the web, HTML and JavaScript. Think of HTML as the builder. It creates the actual structure and shape of a web page. JavaScript, though, that's the life of the party. It adds interactivity. It's what makes a button change color when you hover over it, or makes a pop-up window appear. It literally brings the web page to life.
Of course, even the best tech throws a tantrum sometimes. That's why troubleshooting is an absolute digital lifesaver, especially for your exams. Got a corrupted file? Check your program, or just delete it if it's totally ruined. Device won't charge? Don't panic. Check your cable, the wall socket, or it might just be time for a new battery. Forgot your password? We've all been there. Just hit Forgot Password and make a stronger one. Need to keep files safe? Back them up to an external drive or toss them in the cloud, like Google Drive. And if a file simply refuses to be deleted, check the file name. Sometimes a weird special symbol gets stuck in there and messes the whole thing up.
Finally, we hit our last toolkit upgrade, Level 6, Image Editing Magic.
You'll probably recognize this goofy little mascot from your textbook. It represents GIMP, which stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program. GIMP is a seriously powerful tool for changing and modifying your images to make them look super professional. And the best part? It's literally free. It's open source, which means anyone can use it and even modify its tools. You just download it from the internet and you're good to go.
With GIMP, you get some pretty amazing editing superpowers. You can correct flaws, like fixing bad lighting or restoring washed-out colors. You can change colors to smooth out a messy background. You can even take two completely different photos and seamlessly merge them into one awesome image for a school presentation. Add some special effects, like a cool vintage filter, and you're set. And hey, remember Level 1, AI? GIMP actually uses artificial intelligence for color adjustment, learning to show only the specific colors you need. It all connects. And just like that, we've cleared the entire level map. Huge congratulations on powering through this Unit 3 review. You are now fully equipped with an elite digital toolkit. You know the ethics of AI, how to shop smart, communicate like a pro, run a flawless video call, troubleshoot basic code, and edit incredible images. But knowing all this is only the first step. The real test is what you do with it. So I'm going to leave you with this. Now that you have these powerful digital tools, how will you use them to safely, smartly, and ethically shape the online world around you? Good luck on your exams, guys, and keep exploring.